One day I was walking, I went to the school. I spoke to the principal. I said, you know what, I want to take kids to Africa because I knew that it will break the barriers in people's lives. So that's why I started African Theatres. It's a journey. It changes them. You can never go there and come back the same. And most of the kids that I take, a lot of people say, oh, they're beyond, but they're not. The reason why kids are getting into depression is because they don't have hope. And hope is only found in helping other people. Take a child from here, take them to Africa. They are taking a walk in someone's shoes. It's a therapy, it's healing to them, and they start loving it. I know that it will change a young boy to be a good man in life. If I can make a difference in one child, it means you've saved the whole nation, the whole clan, the whole family. And this is what drives me.